Hi Usman, I've just gone over the all these various campaigns and the search terms to come up with both a negative keyword suggestion list, and in column D I'll show you what I'm doing right at the end of this. So I've segregated the negative key phrases into either exact match, we don't want to do anything with etched mirrors or rustic standing lights. In phrase match, fish tanks, I don't really want anything with fish tank in it or Snoopy table lamp in it. I've decided that we haven't done much business with fiber optic. We've done none, so I've taken out all the fiber optic as a phrase. As you can see, bathroom optic lights, no use to me, so I put those as an exact match. Now, every now and then there's something that I've taken right up to a single word broad match, in this case fiber optic. So in this particular campaign, anything with fiber optic, not really interested in. Phrase again here, Rhino again, that's at broad stage. And if you go through the whole thing, that's basically what I've done for all 3,500 terms. So they either, let's just find a single one there. Yeah, pictures. I don't want any pictures in that particular campaign. Designs of stairs, again, I put that in phrase. Can't see how that's going to help us at all. Art panels, again, that's exact match, never going to help us, art panels. You could probably put that phrase, to be honest with you. Second hand. I thought we had in our library second hand and eBay and all that covered, because eBay came up here once, not sure why, but I do know that we got some quite big shared common negative library lists. I would have thought eBay and some of the big department stores would have been in there. But there you go. You know better than I. That's how I've done it. I've either done it as a phrase exact or as a broad to add at campaign level, and perhaps even into library level sometimes if eBay comes up. But I've kind of done it. Now, what I did notice though, and as you scroll down column D, what I did notice is there's two groups. Basically, a potential group with anything with stairwell chandeliers and a potential group with anything with hallway. So as you go down here, you'll see I've made it as an add group. This is suggested add group with a custom landing page, group 2, and anything with hallway in is just add group 1. So there's a large hallway chandeliers. So there's basically, if you were to sort column D, there's probably about 90 key phrases between those two add groups. And my suggestion is this, Usman, is for me to produce a single lengthy blog post covering hallway chandeliers, make it a long article with reference to either links to actual products or links to just pictures of custom work we've done, but they will all be long hallway custom chandeliers or long hallway chandeliers, or basically the whole article will revolve around a blog page for hallway and landing chandeliers. And I think, that would be quite sticky in my opinion, because people are looking for that, and looking at the search returns currently offered for the search terms, there's nothing like it, and I think we've got a good chance of building people's trust. So I wonder what your thoughts are on that. If you think it's a good idea, I'll spend the time and I'll write a blog post. In that blog post, I'll have a scattering, maybe 10 or 15 actual links to product pages, and then I'll also have links to maybe videos of installations we've done, or just photographs of very long hallway chandeliers we've done in the past, where I can, write a few lines about each one and the suitability and the criteria behind it, etc., etc. So I just want to know what your thoughts are on that one. So look forward to your comments. Thanks a lot. My final, sorry, I forgot to say, my final observation is we need to do this exercise more frequently, I think. But let's agree to do it maybe once a month. so we can comb out bad keywords. Thanks a lot.